Itada, Dupla himself. As I said, guys, this week, today's Friday. It's almost 5 o'clock. As I said, that I will be looking all the correlating pairs. Remember, I've done Euro USD, I've done AUD USD. So like, there's no need for me to go to GBP USD because of already I know the direction. So right now I'm looking at the USD CAD. Normally I don't trade USD CAD, but I will analyze it because of all the videos will be released, I think, next week, because of on AUD USD I'm looking for sales, because remember they are correlating, and if those are selling, that means USD CAD is buying, you see. So I think sometime next week we'll release a video about DXY, explaining how does it work, you see. So right now I'm looking at USD CAD from my daily time frame. Remember, I start analyzing from my daily, like picking up those zones, maybe high is high, low is low. But at this point, as you can see, what do you call this one? Yeah, USD CAD is buying. So let me just cater those levels. So let me go to 4 hour. There's a lot to be done here, but I want to do it on my 4 hour time frame. I want to do it on my 4 hour time frame. Okay, guys, I love dealing with zones, because of zones, they help you, like we do entries, they help you see where the market turns, like they help you. So some of the things I can't explain them, but I'm able to analyze and see which the market is watching, because I spend so much time with the price. And remember, simplicity is the way. Don't complicate things. Don't if whether this strategy is working for you, stick to it. Don't try to complicate things and see Banban doing like this, you wanna be like that. Banban is milking like this, you wanna be like that. No, be you, do you. You know, as fun, Joe, as fun. So let me just analyze it. Please remember, this one is a 4 hour time frame. There is a breakout. There is another breakout, and I don't know how do I see these patterns, but I think it's the grace. Head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders, they love me. I just see them move and I'm that is why the price went up, because of this pattern. So yeah, I have let me just you see I have a head, I have a shoulder sitting on top of support. The market pushed up. Joe, we are expecting a buy, but let me try to explain where can we enter our buys, where can we take our profits and stuff, you see. Remember, the overall direction is a buy. And I see that, guys, you guys there, and you are subscribing, you are viewing us. That is great. I'm happy. So yeah, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. Let me try to see. Remember, there is a breakout, and after a breakout, always there must be a retest. After a retest, then that is when we enter our buys. So since on GBP, not on GBP, I'm lying, Euro USD, AUD, we are also expecting a retest, and then we sell. And even here we are expecting a retest, then we buy. So right now we need to check where the market can turn, where the market has strongest points, where the market can turn and retest, you see. So let me just pick this one. I'm on my 4 hour. Okay. Yeah, same hour level, this one. Let me go to my 1 hour, maybe it will make more sense. I don't know. Remember, we follow the market. Okay, on the 1 hour already you can see that the market the price is turning. You see? Yeah, we can see guys, the price is turning. I get ticket is smooth. Hey, oh my god. So I think I will end my things here on 1 hour because of time and stuff. So we can see that the price already is turning. So what are we waiting for now? We are waiting for it immediately it reaches here. Not that maybe immediately reaches here it will buy. No, sometimes you can just push down, maybe until here, until this level here. Then it goes up until I will take profit here. So on the USD get, I'm just looking for buys. I'm just waiting for a signal and then I buy long. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. It was simple as this, guys. It was simple. They simple, guys. Like, as a trader, don't complicate things. Like, do you understand the market the way when we understand the way you learn it? So guys, remember, we are here for you guys. Remember, Tina, we are self-taught. Nobody told us anything. So we are here to make trading to be simple for those people who want to learn. That is why we are always like doing technical, showing people how we analyze, how do you analyze from top-down analysis. You see, so we are here for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Tell people that we are here to teach them forex for free on YouTube. Thank you guys. Tirishaya.